Hello everyone! In this beautiful weather, I'm going to show you how we can prepare berry smoothie with mango. It's super delicious and fresh. So here I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 big cup of mango juice, and I have 1 big bowl or 1 big cup of berries, mixed berries, and I always buy the frozen pack. This is berries, mixed berries medley, so you can buy it from any supermarket. Okay, so the step is so easy. First I'm gonna put the sugar in the blender and I'm gonna add the mango juice here. Berries with mango, it's super delicious. So I tried it with many kind of juice, with orange, with apple, with many kind of juices. I just find it that the mango is so delicious with it. So I'm gonna add the berries. Whoops. Okay. Cover the blender. Close it. And then we're gonna mix it for about 2-3 minutes. Perfect. Here we go. So 2-3 minutes will be enough. And then now I'm going to present it here. So the mixture should be thick, and you can make it lighter if you want. So you can add more mango juice, or you can add less mango juice if you want to be lighter or thicker. Look at this beautiful cup. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh guys, look at this beautiful cup. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you like it. It's quick and easy and super delicious. Please like and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe. See you soon. Bye. Wow, super yummy.